Is your email list going quiet even though you're sending more than ever? That's email fatigue. It happens when subscribers feel overwhelmed by too many messages and start ignoring them or unsubscribing. In fact, 51% of people say they unsubscribe simply because a brand emails too often. Email fatigue shows up as falling open rates, disappearing click-throughs, and rising unsubscribes. The fix isn't sending less, it's sending smarter. First, segment your list. Subscribers who get relevant content are far more likely to engage. Second, give subscribers control. A preference center lets them choose their frequency and topics. Third, clean your list regularly. Remove or re-engage anyone who hasn't opened in 6 months. Relevant, well-timed emails don't feel like fatigue, they feel like value. Mailchimp has the tools you need to avoid email fatigue. Visit Mailchimp.com to start your free trial.